Remember when you had smooth and clean faces on your woodworking pieces? This WEN Electric a third sheet sander puts reliable sanding right into the palm of your hand. This sander allows for the preciseness of sanding by hand with the added efficiency of 12,000 OPM worth of vibrational power. The 1.2 amp motor sands away at abrasive surfaces, while the vacuum adapter allows for easy attachment to either a dust collection device or the included dust collection bag. Plus, the 3-pound lightweight design ensures that your hands never get too tired. A nationwide network of skilled service technicians and a helpful customer service phone line. And includes 1 sheet of sandpaper. Remember when you had the power to sand entire workpieces all in the palm of your hand? Remember when? Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fan-assisted slots. Fan-assisted slots along the underside of the base help collect unwanted sawdust and remove it via the dust collection port. Number 2. Hook and loop base pad. The hook and loop base pad makes for quick grit changes while also still accepting regular non-hook and loop sandpaper. Number 3. Efficiency and precision. The 3 and 5/8 inch by 7 and 3/8 inch sanding surface features edges that jut out past the body of the sander for sanding edges and corners. Number 4. Dust collection bag. The center-mounted dust collection port combined with the included dust bag minimizes cleanup during operation. Number 5. Powerful 1.2 amp motor provides 12,000 OPM. Number 6. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 3 pounds. Number 7. Velcro base pad allows for simple sandpaper removal and installation. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.